What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing on the new Andis GTX EXO cordless trimmers. Bam, guys, this is a box right here. What we always wanted, that skeleton body. You know what I'm saying? I just had to get these bad boys right here. I picked them up a few days ago, and I'm not gonna lie, they are a little expensive. I pay a little over $200, about $220 including taxes. But they are good looking trimmers, you know what I'm saying, with that gold blade and that skeleton body. So I just have to get them, guys, you know what I'm saying? I just have to get them. But before we get started, guys, let's read a little bit of the instruction what they come with. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing, you know what I'm saying? It says blade position, enhanced visibility for precision detailing, custom gold blade with corrosion resistant coating, GTX C blade preset with tight gap for fine detailing, powerful high speed motor featuring constant speed technology, won't drag or stall. We'll see about that. Lithium ion battery delivers over 100 minutes of runtime, charges in 1 hour, guys. So we gotta keep an eye on that, because it takes about an hour to charge, you know what I'm saying? It also says cordless operation with premium charging stand. That's about it. It comes with 4 attachment comb guards: the 0, the 1, the 2, and the 3. The charging stand, the blade oil, and the blade guard. All right, guys. Let's not waste more time, and let's open this bad boy up and let's see what's up. All right, guys, let's open this up. See what it comes with. Nice, very nice. Look at this, guys. Beautiful trimmer, solid black with a gold blade, skeleton edition, guys. Check this out, guys. Beautiful, don't they? That's the GTX blades right there. Comes with a GTX blade. Nice. It also comes with a charging stand. I believe this is a charging stand. Solid. It looks the same like the other one that the older trimmer. The only difference is this one's solid black with the gold plate right there. Man, guys, this trimmer is super nice. Very good, very well made. It's not, the trimmer is not it's not light and it's not heavy. It's in between. You know what I'm saying? Very well made. Let's put it in the little stand, see how it looks. There you go. This is the new GTX EXO trimmer skeleton edition, guys. Very nice. I'm super excited to use this at the shop. You see how they work, and I'm pretty sure I'll make another video of how they work. If it's if it's worth the $200 that they said in it. These are the guards that comes with, the small guards. To be honest, guys, I don't even use these guards. I would just put them away. But if you use them, you can keep them. I mean, it's all up to you. They also come with a charger. This is a charger. It plugs in behind the charging pot. There you go. And then you start charging it right there. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. Isn't it beautiful? Like I say, guys, these trimmers, they are a little expensive. $220. That's how much I pay. I heard guys are paying a little over 220, about 240, 250. It all depends where you're from. I'm from Brownsville, Texas, so this is how much I pay. I paid about $220 for it. Is it worth the money? I don't know, guys. To me, they look beautiful. The material that is made, it's really nice, well made. Like I said, they come with the gold blade right here, the GTX blade. The instructions say that they don't drag or stall, so we'll see about that. I'm gonna make another video cutting with these trimmers, and I'll let you know, guys. But overall, about these trimmers, guys, they are expensive, like I said, but they look nice, guys. If you have the money, go get them. You know what I'm saying? Go buy them and try them. If you like them, you keep them. If not, you can sell them. But that's it, guys. This is everything that comes in the box. Oh, I was forgetting. Andis also put this the oil blade, so you can oil your blade after every haircut. I recommend for you to do that at every haircut. Oil your blade to maintain them in a good condition. So, guys, this is the trimmer. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions, guys, just comment down below. You can pick this up at any beauty supply in your hometown and your city. Like I said, they're a little expensive, guys, but if you have the money, go get them and we'll see how they work. There you go, guys. I charge them. They're fully charged now. Just want to show you how they look when they're charging. Very nice looking trimmer. They are a little expensive, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but check it out, guys. If you have the money, go ahead and get them, guys. Go get them. You know what I'm saying? They're pretty good looking trimmers. What else you want? That neon blue light with a skeleton body and that GTX gold blade. I'm gonna put a little closer to the camera so you can see them. Check them out, guys. I feel like they're the noise between this one and the older version. I feel like this is the same noise, man. If anything, this one's a little quieter than the older version. But overall, guys, this trimmer is a pretty good looking trimmer. So if you have the money, guys, go ahead and get them. This is the new Andis GTX EXO cordless with a skeleton body. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll make sure to upload another video using these trimmers, see how they hit, and I'll let you know, guys. Thank you, and God bless. Like this video. If you like this video, like it. Subscribe for future videos. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Let's watch.